Whoever said that Matumbo or tripe has no nutrients truly lied. If cooked well, this dish is packed with nutrients including vitamin B12, protein and zinc. And today I show you how to make it step by step here at Winnfrey's kitchen. Stay tuned. Winnfrey's kitchen. For the spices we need a half tablespoon of paprika, a half tablespoon of oregano, a half tablespoon of cumin. We also need boiled matumbo or tripe, a bunch of dhania or cilantro, 2 large tomatoes, 1 large onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and a piece of ginger. So what you're going to do is chop the onions. First, we are going to prepare the veggies. We're going to chop onions. We're going to do the cubes. Like you're going to finally chop the onions. We're going to do the same with the garlic and the ginger. You chew. You first wash the onion. You basically what you do, cut an onion, unavisoak kwa maji moto ya chumvi to avoid hiyo kulia. Next, we are preparing our garlic. Basically, the reason why I do that to the garlic, hiyo ngozi iweze kutoka. You see this skin for the garlic, when you heat it like that, it's easy. Inatoka tu rahisi. You see? There you go. And then it will also be easy for you to mix. So I'm going to chop it also. Next is our ginger. Still finely chop it. Or you can also grate it. Tokea kidogo. Don't want the large chunks, so that is why we are mincing this kidogo. Then we will do our dhania. So basically we need the stem of the dhania. People throw these stems, and by the way, mswe mnatupa stems. These stems ni flavor mnatupa. This one is very helpful. We will use the leaves baadaye, but right now tukianza kukaanga, actually leaves zinatumiwa ku garnish, so we will use the leaves to garnish the matumbo. But when we are sauteing it, we will saute together with the onions. So that is why unaona ninataka the stems. It adds flavor, by the way. Msiwe mnatupa stems. So once we have our stems, we are also going to finely chop it. just like so. So next we're going to grate our tomatoes. I love to grate mine ndio hiyo paste itokee poa. Some huwa wana prefer to blend, but mimi naonanga ukiblend tomatoes it has a different taste. Kuna kale tu ka taste kana kwanga nako. So I prefer to blend mine. Sorry, not to blend, to grate. I prefer to grate. So once you're done grating, this is how your tomatoes will look like. It will be easy to mash. Na itoke that thick paste. And now it's time to cook. We're going to heat the sufuria ikuwe moto, alafu tuweke mafuta yetu. So I'm putting my oil kidogo tu. Then I am going to put my onions. My garlic. Basically, the onions, garlic, the stems of the coriander, dhania, or cilantro. Then we are going to saute this for a few minutes. So we are going to saute this for a few seconds. Basically, hata niseme like 40 seconds. Nataka the onions ikue translucent. Isiturn ikue golden brown. Then we're going to add in our tomatoes. And we're going to add in our spices. I love adding spices. Ukishaongeza tomatoes ndio those flavors zive zikiwa pamoja. Then we are going to add our salt. So we are going to let this cook as the flavors mix and infuse, and then we leave the tomatoes to just release the juices na ikuwe paste vizuri. So we are going to leave this for a few minutes ndio iive kabisa. So we are going to leave it for a few minutes. So guys, I'm going to add my matumbo. I boiled mine. I cannot tell you the specific amount of time, but basically boil until ikuwe soft. So I boiled mine with salt and nikaeka garlic, ginger, kiasi, and bay leaves, and then nikaacha ikachemka nayo. So yeah, this is how my matumbo looks. I'm going to add a little water. Kidogo tu. Utake matumbo yako ijae supu. Taka tu ikue kidogo. Weke tu supu kidogo. I'm just adding a little water kidogo. Something like that. our matumbo is ready. So I'm going to garnish it with the leaves of the coriander. Handsome amounts. And our matumbo is ready. You can have this with ugali. Unaweza ikula na mchele, mashed potato, and some veggies on the side. Yeah. Make sure to thumbs up this video and share to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Follow for more.